Hey, I'm Mindy Meyer. I'm the Director of Implementation and Training at GuardRFID. I'm also a nurse, so I've been a user of this system before, and I'm going to show you the tag types that you have the option to choose with the AllGuard TotGuard system. The most common tag types that you're going to see for infants are going to be the umbilical tag and the tot tag. Just one thing about our tags, they are the reusable pieces. They're lightweight, anywhere from 5 to 7 grams. They do have a battery built into them, so when they go low, they will show you a low battery signal in the system. Completely waterproof and submersible, no cracks or crevices, so you can just wipe them down with germicidal wipes. They're very easy to maintain, and so these are the pieces that you will reuse, and they do last for the 12 months, and then you'll replace the tag pieces. So let's go into the umbilical tag first. The umbilical tag is one of our popular tags for infants, placed on the umbilical clamp. It's out of sight, out of mind, very easy to use and quiet tag, because once it's locked in place, a lot of people don't mess with that area, so they don't even know that there's a tag in place. With this tag, it will lock doors and elevators and show location, and that is a safety for your infants to be able to wear that and keep it on. The umbilical tag fits on any cord clamp, so you don't have to change cord clamps. You just, once the delivery happens, depending on your workflow, you'll then just tag this particular tag on a clamp and lock it in place. There is a different way to remove this clamp once you get it on. Depending on the cord clamps that you're using, we'll discuss that, but you may be using a tool just to cut the locking jaw at the end to remove that. So it's a very easy to use umbilical tag. The next tag that you see there is a tot tag. This is a nice tag because it's soft. Parents like it for the softness of the band. You can see it's nice and stretchy, but it does conform to water weight loss. So if the baby loses weight, it will not get loose and fall off. It just conforms. It is a Velcro band that has a tamper tag built into it. So that tag does have a tamper mechanism built in. So if someone pulls it off, it will alarm at the workstations so that you'll know that someone's messing with it. They're different size bands. The most common is this 8-inch, fits most normal newborns, but we do have some options for different sizes. The bands are single use, and then again, the tag just pops right into the band itself, and then you just wrap it around that patient's extremity, and it stays on until you need to remove it. This is not a waterproof band, so we will teach you how to suspend that in the software so that you can take it off if you're doing a submersion bath. That is another one of our popular infant tags. This next group of tags is also considered patient tags. The patient tag that you see on the left side is just a non-proprietary band that is a tag fits on. Tag is not a tamper tag, so if it were to be cut, you would not know that, but it simply just slides onto a band of any size, and that is placed on the patient's ankle or wrist. This is typically used in adult wandering or maybe a pediatric readmission. Because it doesn't have a tamper, it will let you know location and lock doors and elevators, but it won't give you that tamper if it's cut. That middle band that you see is a cut band tag, so it is used with our infants, and it can be used up to pediatrics or adult wandering based on the size of the patient. We can adjust the band. This is it on my little baby doll here. With this particular tag, completely waterproof and submersible. If someone does cut or pull that band loop apart, it goes into a tamper alarm. So that is a tamper tag. With this particular tag, you do have some options for bands. This is our woven band. You can see it's a big length here, and if I were to put it onto my infant or my pediatric, then I can pull the top and make it tighter and smaller, and then I would just trim off these ends, and then you have the band there. We also have a thicker band that's a little more firm. If you do want to use something on maybe a pediatric patient that's a little more firm, we have the same tag, and it's just a different band option, completely waterproof as well. We do have our mother tag option, so if you're interested in mother tags, this is just a tag that goes onto a mother. It then bonds with your patient tags. You can bond up to 1 mother tag with 6 baby or patient tags and 6 patient tags to 1 mother tag. This is just an added feature if you're interested in mother tagging. We do like for you to have sounders in the rooms or on the staff member. We do have staff badges that could alert with a beep, and then know that this when this alarm happens, it does notify the workstation that there's a mismatch at the desk. So that's an option for tagging moms or dads or grandparents, or any significant other can use that particular tag as well. It does not keep the mother or that person in the unit. They can roam outside. It is strictly for bonding with that baby. The other tag options that we do have staff duress tags if you're interested. Very light, small weight tag. Staff can push either one of these buttons to send a duress signal to the workstation, and then someone can go and help that staff member. So that's a staff badge that's an option. And then we have some asset tags if you want to tag your equipment or any pieces of equipment that maybe get lost or misplaced. We have low profile tags. They're completely waterproof. They stick with double-sided adhesive, and then you can track and locate your equipment. And then if you've got wheelchairs or big beds or things that are larger that you want to track, we do have a larger asset tag that can go on. It's a larger battery built in, and you can locate all of that with the software. So those are just the tag options that you have. If you do have any questions, please let us know. We're happy to set a larger demonstration if you have more questions that you may have. Thank you.